represent. Ain't without a stitch like a latex. Fuck a rich bitch. No, she got it there.
I'm prettier than our mother. Hoes be looking okay. He be looking. Alright. Hi guys. Good morning. Alright, so it might be morning time for you or afternoon, whatever. Hey, my name is Anaya, for the people that don't know. And for the people that do know, welcome back to my channel. That's embarrassing. Welcome back to my channel, guys. So today, bro, I got Goldilocks braids in my head. So today we are going back to school shopping. Okay, I'm a junior in college, so I still go back to school shopping. Not as much as if you was in elementary, high school, middle school. Those days are over. I'm so grateful for those days to be over. I hated those teachers that did not like nobody freaking there. All the rude students, all the rude kids, all the boys that broke my heart. But basically, we're gonna go back to school shopping. First thing is, I have a list. List gonna be right here, somewhere where I fucking edit it. What's up? You know? So we're gonna go back to school shopping. I know school is not the best. A lot of people hate school, but we need to get our school. We need to get our education. So we're going to Target. The Target right by my house. It's kind of ghetto, but they don't really give a fuck. They mad cool. So we're gonna film a video. Guys, I also got a package. Hold on. I'm coming. Hold on. It's right here. Look. I got it. Why she always acting like nobody want to rob us? We don't. You look at it. You see this dirt? You really want to rob me? Like, come on. We got it. Okay, hold on. We're gonna do a try-on haul when we come back from Target.
No telling what I'm feeling beyond. Hey, I'm beyond all that fuck shit. Hey.
Hey lil' mama, would you like to be my sunshine? Nigga, touch my game, we gon' turn this shit to Columbine. Ice on my neck, cost me 10 times 3. $30,000 for a nigga to get free. I just hit Rodeo and I spent like 10 G's. I just did a show and spent the check on my mama. When I go and vacay, I might rent out the Bahamas. And I keep like 10 phones, then I'm really never home. All these niggas clones tryna copy what I'm on. Nigga, get your own, tryna pick a nigga bone. Word to brother Skip, boy, I had a good day. Metro PCS.
Alright guys, so we're inside Target, as you guys can see. So I have a list on my phone that I did tell you guys which I was gonna buy today. So one thing, when I get here, I always need a list because I'm gonna buy so much stuff that I didn't even need to buy. So first thing is first, I'm gonna say folders. So let's go get the cheap folders because a folder you don't really need, like, you know. So right here, come on.
With a glove off, flip that shit upside down.
Okay, so let me show you. So these folders are 50 cents. So I like cheap notebooks. Oh, here, my love. So I want pink. Pink is my favorite color. I love pink.
Wait,
so
baby.
I'm gonna go get.
Wait, baby. Yes, Mom, no.
So it's nice and flimsy, 50 cents. Let's get two. One pink one. Why is it so loud? Damn. One pink one and one white one. So we're gonna get it towards the back. Don't get it in the front because in the front it's cheap. So you get two of these, 50 cents. Mama, where'd she go? So get these two of these.
Okay, here, baby.
We got these 50 cents, so there's no more. Brianna need, how many you think she needs? 3? I got 1, 2, so 1 for me, 1 for her.
Oh God, be careful.
So I got this one, and this one. So this is $1.50. You know, buy cheap, smarter person. You feel me? So now let's go. I understand when I was younger, my mom used to buy me a lot of cheap stuff, and I used to be like, why are you buying me cheap stuff? I don't blame her. I was so rude. Okay, so now we need to get index cards. Index cards work. So let's go down to index card. So maybe you might be like, bitch, why are you buying? Damn, why is it so loud? I can be myself. Mommy, record it. So look, we're gonna buy the. Keep it like that.
Don't talk to me like that. I'm serious.
All right, relax. It's funny. So guys, listen, we're gonna buy 2 index cards, 75 cents. So these index cards are 75 cents. So when you're in college and your professor's talking really fast, instead of buying a post-it, those things don't stick that much. That's what I get. You saw that? That's what I get. So stop. So I'm gonna get these for 75 cents. So we're gonna put these inside the cart. So basically no more I'm spending the $3. You think Brownie need these or no? Brownie need some of these?
Just get one.
Just get one? Alright, so we'll just get one for today. One index card. Alright guys, so follow. My mom is following recording, okay? So what's next? Next we got index cards. We got the folders, check. Index cards, check. So now follow me. Oh shit. Follow me, bitches. Come on. I don't work if the highlighters are not colored, so it has to be colored. If it's not colored, it looks ugly, it looks disgusting. So let's get some color highlight. But I want to get the cheap ones. I'm not trying to get anything expensive. So that's $6. This is 2. Get the fat ones. These are cute. Nice, pretty colors, you know. We got pink. Pink is my favorite color. Pink, if you ain't rocking pink, you're not gonna win. So let's get pink. Pink is really cute. We got a pink one. We put this here. I got my brother a little, cause he's going back to school too. He's in, what grade are you in?
Going to the second
Grade. So we gotta make him look fresh to death. So we got him a little lunchbox. You know. Let me see. Let's open it. Let's see how it's Cat Jack. Remember that, Mom? On comes in 1, 2, 3. So you go put like
pretzels, grapes, a sandwich.
Whatever. I was supposed to say it, but are you recording it right? Look good. Is it focused? Is it good? Okay, Mom. All right, so now let's get pens on sale. Come. Okay, guys, so I'm gonna get some cheap pens on sale. We don't need these. These are gel pens for $11. Are you serious? I used to be really mad, Mom. Listen, I used to be mad when my mom used to get me cheap pens, but she ain't wrong. Like, look, you go to the Dollar Tree and get it for more cheaper, you know? Like, you don't even need to spend an arm and a leg on school supplies. This, that's it. We're gonna get 1 pack. Actually, I'll get 2 packs of pens just in case, because we run out of pens a lot. Where's the blue ones? Did I got the blue ones? They got the blue ones? No, they got me. Shit. Okay. I'll get 2 of these. Those 2, fire. Write your nose. Make sure you have clean handwriting. Nobody want no nasty handwriting. So let me show you guys the cheap dollar notebooks. Oh, she's so cute. So okay, they got the dollar notebooks. Look, see. So like, you know, I gotta hit it with the pink. Get 1 pink one. That's cute. No, but this one is bent. You know, I don't like no bent shit. The fuck? We gotta get some cute ones. Okay, so let's get some notebooks on sale. I want to get the one. Listen, let me teach y'all something. You gotta get the one in the back. The one in the front is always messed up. You never get anything in the front. So get this one. Look how nice and neat. Let's show you the pages. One thing about me, I love when you see blue lines. I don't like when my notebook is not clear enough. As you can't see blue lines. So I'm gonna get 1 pink. That's too expensive. No, in the bag, bitches. 1 pink, 1 orange. How many notebooks do I need? 2. All right, 1 pink, 1 orange, 1 yellow, and let me get myself 1 green, because my sister is in high school, so we gotta make sure, you know. This is cute. Fuck. Ow, that hurt. So this is good, and I'm taking a lot of hard classes this year, so because I'm a bioscience major, so I gotta become a doctor. But these are good. Let me show you. Them. So let's get this. So we got a pink one. Check. Yellow. Check. This is cute. Yellow. That was orange. I don't even know my colors. It's okay. See, look. I love that. I love these. These are cute. These are going away. Let's go buy them. See, we're getting them. Oh, that's cute. I thought that was a real person right there, but that's the ad. Okay, now I'm gonna show you the planners. You need a planner in college. If you don't have a planner, your life is gonna be fucked up. Are these planners? These are just cute notebooks, but I'm not gonna pay $2 for a notebook. But look how cute these are though. Look, oh, that's really cute. I like that cherry. I might buy this. Yeah, nah, that's cute though. These are cute, but I don't really buy expensive stuff. Like, one thing about me, I'm really cheap. I don't buy that shit. I don't buy expensive things, you know? So, it's okay. So, but let's go find a planner. Let's go get a planner for everyone, you know? Okay, do it. Do the drums. Oh, she wasn't even paying attention to me. I'm sorry. No, nobody want no Barbie. Look, that's for you. Sing it. And I'm bad like a Barbie. I'm a dog, but I still want to party. Pig better, I'm ready to bend. Sing it.
I don't know the words.
How she act like that? But you don't see how the way she act. Do they got any cheaper? Hold on. Oh, but it says 2 pocket folders up to 50 cents. So when we get down there, I will show them that it says 50 cents, because I'm not paying more. Oh, mommy. So, mom. Oh, we gotta get copy paper, because you know they be charging cents for cents. It's only $5. Or should I just wait? Huh? I can wait. Put the shit back. We don't need this. This is dirty. $5 for some freaking copy paper. I'll just steal it at the library. Just be like, oh hey, you know, hi. Like, you know, like. Let me tell you, college, bro, is not for everybody. I do need to get a binder. Because I don't get a binder, my ass gonna be crying. So I do need to get a binder. So let me see. You know me, pinky. I'm a pink girly, so we need pink. Like, I don't really buy anything else. I'm a pink girl. Yeah, let's go. So now, let me see what they have for back to school. Mommy, can you push this real quick? I want to see the college stuff. Like, with the already hand sanitizer. Fuck that. Like, even though COVID is over, but you gotta be smooth with it. You gotta be clean. This is cute. It's only $2. I don't mind buying that. Can we go check the college stuff is that way.
Bought a brand new shoe color. Kick rocks, don't stand too close. Diamond kickbox, ain't red, me and gold, so I don't stop. I know they was they can catch me, but keep pushing. You think I done turned into a fiend for these bitches? Trying to stop as much as I can. And these bitches make your bitch fuck on my.
Okay guys, so I got everything from Target in here. So I'm gonna show you guys everything I got got the folders. I really love them. Actually, I don't really need to even show you, but I got folders, notebooks, everything in here. So we're just gonna put it in the closet. See, look, so you don't think I'm lying. I actually bought everything. See. So everything is in this bag. So we're just gonna put the supplies away for, what's it called? Damn, this room is fucked up. We're gonna put the clothes away for not clothes, the supplies away for back to school so we don't lose them. So I'm gonna put them up in a closet because my brother be playing with our stuff. And then we're gonna do the pretty little thing try on. So let's do it. Alright guys, so we got our pretty little thing. Look, see, pretty little thing, pretty little So we got a pretty little thing package. This is for also back to school. Oh, I like this. Okay guys, so I definitely like nice and tight, you know, nice and skinny. Got, you know, the ass looking fat. You feel me? With a nice bag, like I'll go with like something like this nice little tote bag, you know, with a nice little, you feel me? Going out, going to class, like this, like a nice little college girl fit, you know. Probably something. I'll probably wear like a nice little white bag with this. This looks kind of, you know, sexy. My toes is white. Period. Let me go ask my mom. Let's get our mom's advice and let's see what she thinks. Okay. All right, hold on. You know, someone's coming. It's special. It's my mom. Clap it up for mom. Woo! Yes! We gotta clap it up. Oh, they just gave me. You working tomorrow? Woo! Okay. Close the door. Hey, Brianna, close the door. Bitch is not coming into work. Okay, so now we got my mom. So rate the outfit 1 through 10. From bottom to top, is it giving like with a nice like? It's a 10. Woo! Okay.
He went and did another skit, came back out. He looked at his pants. He said, "Oh, somebody got me." They're there.
All right, wait, hold on. 1 second.
That's like an 8. That's cute.
Thank you, Brie. Clap it up, yes.
8, yeah.
This is
an 8.
Like an 8.5.
8.
Like to class, right?
Yeah.
A little car fit, like when it's like.
Or you want to store real quick, somewhere to go real quick.
A nice, real quick outfit to go, right?
Not
cute.
Like to go out, you know what I mean?
No. But this is cute. Like cute. Like it's giving.
8.
It's giving eat. It's giving like I eat, but cute eat. Like going to the store eat. Like, does that make sense? Like we eat. All right. So this is like a little quick gym outfit. You know. Let's go to the gym.
I don't know, because I feel like the vagina part would be a little baggy on you.
It's like a bigger ass, so it would be prettier, right? Alright, but yeah, so that's the end of our video. Clap it up. Alright guys, make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next week. I love you.
Bombs away.
Why would you fart like that?
Why would you fart like that? Was
she
not
farted
me.
in my video, her ass stink.
That was not me, that was you.
Bye. Stink ass.